Hello everyone, today it's our day 2 advanced class. In this class we will continue the PROC SQL. Okay, yesterday we have seen a few statements and options that we use in the PROC SQL. Today we will continue the PROC SQL procedure. Okay, let's move into the programming. In yesterday's class we have seen this, what is the syntax for the PROC SQL procedure, right? So this is the syntax for the PROC SQL procedure. Yesterday we have used select option from where, and we have seen order. Okay, today we will see group by having. Okay, and other options and statements that we use in the PROC SQL. Okay, if you guys didn't watch the day 1 SQL video, please first watch that and then watch this video. Okay, see, here I'm taking the same example as yesterday. I'm creating a table using the SAS help dot class. From the SAS help library I'm taking the class dataset. Okay, now I want to create a table. Okay, yesterday we have seen this, right? What is this create? This create is used to create a new data set as output instead of a report. Okay, and this table is nothing but which produced in the output window. Okay, and here we have given the name of the data set that we want to create, and as select is from where we are selecting. To get that information from SAS help.class, we have given as select. This asterisk is nothing but we want all the variables to be printed in the output window. Okay, let's create a data set or the table. See, now it created a table for SAS help.class for the class data set. Okay, see, now what I want to do is, yesterday we have seen, we have given single conditions or two conditions in a program, right? Today we will see how to execute program with multiple conditions. Okay, see, let's take an example for that. PROC SQL. See, now here I want to change this age. I want to create a new variable for the 11 to 12. I want to give one age group like low, and 12 to 14 I want to give one age group like middle age, and um, of more than 15, for 15 to 16 I want to give the senior citizens values. Like that, I want to create a new variable which specifies age, different age groups. Okay, so for that, what I will do here, so for if I want to give it like that, I have to give, see, I'm selecting all the variables. Okay, now I want all the variables in my report. Use the case. Okay, why we use this case? Selects result values that satisfy specified conditions. Okay, see, when we use this case option, this case is expression is used to execute programs with multiple conditions. Okay, this case option, this case expression starts with case keyword and it must end with end keyword. Okay, and we can use all the operators with this case expression. We can use if option, if operators like equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, and, or, in, between, contains, in, null, or missing, everything. We can use like option also in this. Okay, so let's create our conditions. Okay, so what I want to give is when age between 0 and 12. Okay, then I want to give young. Okay, sorry, it's comes under, everything comes under same statement, so not semicolon is not necessary. And the other condition that I want to give is when age between 12 to 13 to 14, then I want to give middle. And now the next statement is I want to give 15 to 16. I want to give it as old. Okay, and I want to end this statement with end as. And as, now specify the new variable that you want to create. Okay, I will give it as age underscore group. So all these values will be created in a new variable called age underscore group. Okay, and after ending the case, now from where we want this data? From SAS help dot class, right? We want all this data, we have all this data at SAS help dot class. Okay, now quit the program and execute it. See, now I have created a new variable called age group, under which I have grouped the age values by giving many conditions. I have given here 3 conditions. Okay, like this we can use multiple conditions in a single program. Okay, see, for example, now I want to summarize the data. How can I do that? To summarize the data, what we use the summary functions, right? By using summary functions on the select statement, we produce summary for the analysis variables. Okay, summary functions like average, mean, count, frequency, sum, max, minimum, standard deviation, all this we can use on to summarize the data. Okay, let's take an example for this summary function. Okay, I'm taking the same example and do this. I want to okay, now what I want to do is I want to get the mean values for the weight. How can I get that? Select not all the variables, right? I want to get mean for weight variable and also for maximum value for height variable. Okay, now execute the program from SAS help library. Okay, now execute the program. See, now what I got overall mean for the weight and overall mean for the height variable. If you want, you can give some names here to create it as a new variable. Okay, here I'm giving mean of weight as x. Okay, so it will be created in the new variable as x, and height, max of height as y variable. Okay, now execute the program. See, Now it will show you with the new variable names. This is the overall mean and max of the weight and height variables. Okay. See, for example, I want to get the values, mean values for all the variables. See, now it gave me the overall value, right? Now I want to get the mean values for all the variables. How can I get that? See, give weight here, weight comma, height comma. Now execute the program. Now what happened? It printed all the variables here, and next to it, it created a new variable x, which is mean of the weight. Okay, it gave me the overall mean value for all these weight variables. See, like this we can print it. See, now I want to group this data. That means I want to subset this data. Group this data first. How can I do that? I want to group this data by sex, comma, age. Okay. If I want to group that, how can I do that? See, give here sex, age variables. Now what happens? See, let's execute the program. It sorts the data based on the sex and the age variables. Okay, and it gave me the mean and the max height variables created. Okay, so now what it gave me in the mean of weight, in the max of weight variables, it has given mean for the 11 age group. As there is only one value, it gave me 50.5, and mean for only 12 age group. Okay, for 84.5 plus 77. Okay, so what is the mean for 84.5 and 77? Let's calculate manually. Okay, see, now 84.5 plus 77 equal to, and divided by 2 equal to 87.5. Is that what I got for the 12 age variables? Mean value? Yes, that is the mean for the 12 age group variables, and then it calculated for the 13 age group separately, and it gave the mean value. Okay, if we group it by, grouping is nothing but the sorting. Okay, so then it gave me the mean value for the each age group separately, and also it sorted based on the sex variables. Okay, and height, how I got the height also the same. It calculated the max height value for each variable, each age variable, and for the separate sex separately. Okay, so like that, see, in the 12 age group, what is the max height? 59.8 and 56.3. Of these, which is the max? 59.8, right? Of these, which is the max in the 13 age group? 65.3. Okay, like this we got max height and the max mean weight of the, by using this group by option. Okay, so the next one is, see, now I want to use this having expression. Okay, what can I do by using this having expression? See, in the result I got all the values printed, right? Now I want only the values who is greater than age group 64. Sorry, not the age. I want the height whose max height is greater than 64. Okay, now I will apply having whose maximum height. What is the maximum height variable name I have given here y, right? Give y here greater than 64 I want. Okay, now apply this semicolon here. Okay, here we are following the order, right? See, proc first we got the proc SQL select, okay, and group option, and then having option. Okay, see, now execute the program. See, now I got only people who belongs to max height more than 64. Okay, like that we can create our results in the data set based on the requirement. Let's use the order option. Okay, by using order option, now I want to um, get this age variables in the descending order. By default it is in the ascending order, right? Now I want to get this age and sex variables in the descending order. How can I do that? By using the order by age DSC. Okay, descending order, and also sex DSC. Okay, now execute the program. See, now I got male first and the female next for each. See, first I have subset. See, let's do it this way. Now I am taking this sex from here and execute the program. See, now I am subsetting the data, or grouping the sorting the data, and I'm getting the age values in the descending order. Now how I got first 16 age group, then 15, 14, 13, 12, like that. Okay, now I want to group this data by sex also. Now how I will get it? Okay, now execute the program. See, now it gave me the all first male variables and then all female values next. Okay, and it has grouped again based on the age values. Okay, like this we can sort the data based on the requirement by using this order option, order by option. Okay, see, now I want to count. See, when I execute this program, I got all the class dataset values got printed, right? Now I want to know how many people belongs to each age group. Okay, like here for 14 age group, how many members are present here? For 13 age group, how many members are present here? Okay, for that how can I do that? I want to get the distinct age group. See, for in the base SAS we have used no duplicate option to get the distinct records. Here we use distinct option. Okay, see, here now what I will do is, I'm taking the same example. If you want to create a table, you can keep this create table class, or if you don't want, you can keep it from select. Okay, now I'm taking this off. Now I want to get the not all the variables. I want to get distinct. Distinct is nothing but it eliminates duplicate rows. Okay, distinct of, in the parenthesis give which variable. I am giving the age variable. Now execute the program. See, what are the distinct variables? How many distinct variables are present in this class data set 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So these are the different variables that are present in the class data set. Now I want to know the count. How many distinct students belongs to this particular age group? How can I get that? By using the count. Okay. See, for this only what I will do is, now I will give count by using count option. Count of, give distinct age. Now what it will give? It will gives me the count of distinct age. Okay, let's execute the program. It just gave me simply 6. What it is saying, there is 6 variables. See, without this option, what it gave me? It gave me who are all the distinct variables, what are the ages that are distinct in this particular data set. But now if I use count, what it is giving me, how many of them, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 are present, right? Distinct age groups. So that's what I got when I use the count. See, count of distinct age. Now I will get how many are present as that. 6. Okay, now you can specify any variable name here if you want to, like here give it as give some name x. Okay, now execute the program. See, now I got distinct age group count, which is 6. Okay. mm. See, for example, now I will give age here and I want to count the distinct sex. Okay, now what I will get, I want to group this by based on the age values. Group by age. Okay, see, now my result will be, I will get all the age variables which are grouped by age variables and I will get the distinct sex count values. Okay, now execute the program. See, now I got each age group how many members are present. Okay, now I got for 11 age group how many members are present, 2 members. For 12 age group how many members are present in the class dataset, 2. Okay, for 16 age group only 1 person is present. Okay, like this we can get the how many count belongs to particular age group. By using this SQL procedure, we can also alter the table or we can use any updates to the table. Okay, let's see an example for altering a table. Okay, here I have taken an example. I am creating a data set by using normal base SAS procedure. Okay, here I have created a data set. Okay, now I want to add one more column to this data set. How can I do that? By using the PROC SQL procedure. See, PROC SQL alter table means adds column to drops columns from changes column attributes in an existing table. Okay, adds, modifies and drops integrity constants from an existing table. Okay, this is the alter table statement functions. Okay, now What is the dataset name? Give that here. Okay, test is the dataset name. And now what exactly I want to alter? I want to add city, another variable called city. What type of variable is it? Character variable. So mention that as char. Okay, now quit, execute the program. See, now it created a new column called city variable. Okay, like this we can create new columns or new variables in the dataset by using the PROC SQL procedure. Okay, or for example now I want to drop, see for example now I want to drop this state column from this dataset. How can I do that? Instead of add, give drop. Okay, now I'm giving drop. Which column I want to do the state. Okay, and no need to mention the character here. When we are creating you can use character, when you are dropping you don't need to use the character sign. See, now we drop the state column. Okay, see we can do updates also, update data also by using PROC SQL procedure. For example, here I want to add some data to this any particular row. For example, I want to add data to this particular row. Okay, how can I do that? See, by using update modifies a column values in existing rows of a table or view. Okay, now I want to update which data set? Test. Okay, set state equal to, see, I want to update with this values, but which way, which row I want to update? Where id equal to 1405. Okay, 1405, where the id equal to 1405. In such case I want to update my test data set with set state equal to, state equal to, I want to update that with OH. Okay, Ohio, mention that in the quotations. And I want the department to be updated with department equal to, mention in the quotations, PV. Okay, this, see now if I execute this program, in the place of 1405, instead of NJ and SC I will get OH and PV in my result. Okay, let's execute the program. Let's execute everything. See, for which I have updated. What happened? Okay, now execute this. Okay, here I forgot to give the comma. Okay, now execute it. See, now here log is showing one row was updated in the work.test. Okay, if you want to print this data, you know how to print it, right? See, give PROC SQL, PROC SQL. How we give in the PROC SQL to print the data? select all variables from test dataset. Okay, quit. Now execute the program. Now it prints the updated data. Okay, see now 1405 is got updated with OH and PV values. Okay, like this we can add and drop values, and we can modify any data values by using the PROC SQL procedure. See now let's take another example. See here I have taken another example. I want to create a data set with this. Okay, see now I have created a test2 data set with these variables. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to update test2 data set values by using the test1 here, this test, by using this test data set values. How can I do that? See now I want to update, see by using PROC SQL procedure I want to update one table using another table data. Okay, PROC SQL update test2 set, give the which one you want to update, which values. I want to update the state values. Okay, equal to, give the from which you want to update. Okay, select state from test. Okay, so that it will select the state values from this test data set. Okay, and where test2 dot id underscore number equal to id. Here in the test data our id values is id, right? Variable name is id, right? So whenever the test2 here in the test2 data set, if this id value matches with the test1 in this test data set, then it updates the state values. Okay, see let's execute this program. Run, sorry, quit. Okay, see what are the common id numbers here when compared to test and the test2. We see we have 1106. Here also we have 1106. Okay, and what else we have? We have 1182 here. Here also we have 1182. Okay, for 1182 we have NYME, and for 1106 what we have? CTPT. Okay, here state is CT. So what happens is in this place 1106 in the test2 data set, here instead of CT, here it's already having the same CT values. So the state value is going to remain same because it is also having the same. When it comes to 1182 we have here NY. Here also we have NY. Okay. Here 118 we have NY. Here also we have NY. Okay, let's make a change. Okay, we have changed to 1405, right? Do we have 1405 here? No. Let me change the values here. Okay, now I want to change in the test data set 118 values. Okay, let's execute this program. See now I want to change this 118 values NY to OH and department to PV. Okay, let's execute this program. Okay, If I want to print this, give proc SQL select. See, now 118 values got changed to OH and PV, right? Now what happens means, if I update this test2 data set with this test1 data set, here in 118, instead of NY it changes to OH. Okay, let's execute the program, then you will be able to see the difference. Okay, now execute this. See, in the log what it is showing, 10 rows were updated in work.test2. Okay, if we want to print this data set, what we will give? Proc SQL select. Okay, test2 data set, right? See, now if I print this data set, see what are the changes that I got? I got created a state here which was updated. Okay, see, for 118 I got the OH. Okay, and I have 1106 from test1 dataset, right? So I got CT here. Okay, what are all that variables matches? I mean, what are all the ID numbers that matches with the test1 test dataset? In the test2 dataset, all those state variables have been got updated. See, these are the only state variables which is having matching ID numbers with the test dataset. So it got updated with the test dataset's state values. So for the remaining what are all which is empty, those ID numbers are not present in the test dataset, so we didn't get anything. Only for the one ID numbers which are same compared to test another test2 dataset, we got those state values got updated. Okay, like this we can update one table from another table data. Okay, so this is about proc SQL class. In the tomorrow's class we will see about proc SQL joins. Okay, thank you.